ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ. ఎందుకంటే నా వరకు సౌండ్ వస్తుందంటే థింక్ అబౌట్ సరౌండింగ్స్ యాక్చువల్. వాళ్ళు మీకు చెప్పలేరు, దాన్ని నేను తప్ప ఇంకెవరు చెప్పలేరు. ప్లీజ్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ, మీకు ఏమన్నా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే లెట్ మీ నో యాక్చువల్. ఓకే, బట్ ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ టాక్. Fine then. So the next one, SAL equals to 20,000. SAL equals to what, Saji? 20,000. Let me tell you. Once you join in a company, boss, increment is required. What is required? I started my salary as a 10,000. Do you think till now 10,000 gone case? I have a family, sir. So my salary every year incremented 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 actually. Good. Now can you tell me what is output you are going to get now? Yes, sir. 20,000 actually. Good. Now let me tell you. Imagine in a company, if HR seeing this actually, HR will understand very clearly, okay, this person started from what is the first salary? 10,000, and increment happen, what is the next salary? 20,000, and again increment happen, what is the next salary actually? 30,000. There is some information in that variables actually. Our variables చూస్తే కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ salary is at 10,000, second time increment happened 20,000, third time increment happened 30,000 actually. If you have deleted first two variables, misunderstand. What do you mean by misunderstand? Your salary directly started from, you understand I guess. Then you should not delete the old variables actually. You should not delete what, Sarji? Are you clear or not, sir? Good. What? Such a good question he asked actually. In variable reinitialization, we should not delete. Yeah, delete old variables, sir. Old variables. And first to create just variables delete cheyakudadu. You will get a misunderstand. It is information. It is what, Saji? Information. Variable started from 10,000. Now current value. That's it actually. Okay. Online team, how are you? Are you getting everybody? Maybe if you guys, sir, can you walk through the demo? Maybe if anyone joined today, I really appreciate and welcome to the session. What's the course duration? Let me talk if anyone wanted to know. It's around 4 to 5 months, sir. It's around what, Sarji? 4 to 5 months. If any trainer is telling course duration is 1 month actually, he's throwing biscuit. He's throwing what, Sarji? Data science, I'm sorry. Data science we cannot deliver in 1 month. Are you going to cover projects as well? Yeah. Without project course is, I'm sorry. So definitely we are covering the project. On an average, we are covering more than 8 projects actually. But in your resume, you have to include only 2 projects. First project belongs to the machine learning. Second project belongs to the Gen AI, generative AI. So current trend is in your resume, if generative AI project is available, then only people are focusing on that one actually. The next one, fee structure, I'm not sure. You need to check with admin actually. I never ever, till last today, I never ever talk about the fee structure. Only admin will responsible actually. Yeah, fine. That is not my cup of coffee. Will you help in preparing a resume for experienced people actually? Yes, we are helping. And can I explain one small point actually? Meeku oka chinna point explain cheyamantara? Go to my material. I have created a bunch of material, man. Before entering into teaching lo koche mundu, on an average, I spent almost some 40 to 45 days. I completely done material preparation. Then I started teaching actually. I started what, Sarji? Teaching. In that material preparation, I have prepared interview materials also. Is that interview kit actually? Open CC. If you open the first one, imagine when you are giving interview, especially let me tell you, I am from Kaikulur. I'm from Andhra, Vijayawada, near to Vijayawada, Gudivada. Next location is the Kaikulur. I'm from Telugu background. I done all my education is a Telugu actually. I don't know how to speak in English. Then, if anyone is coming from same type of background, you should know the first one, how to introduce yourself in interview actually. I have prepared material for that one also. How to introduce yourself actually. Fine then. So you can just try to see here. So hi, this is Daniel. Instead of that, Daniel, sir, you should not tell this is Daniel actually. I'm sorry for getting. You have to provide your name. Currently, I'm staying in SR Nagar, so and so. Basically, I'm native of Kaiklur, which is greenery village. You should talk. You should know some introduction. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Fine, then that's what you need to be understand. So for introduction, I have created a material in the sense, no doubt at all, Python would have interview questions actually, like a part 1, 5 questions, part 2, next 5 questions, part 3, next 5 questions, like that actually. Right? So the first one, list out few Python libraries useful in your current project actually. Good. Let me tell you, if I'm taking interview, if I'm taking a data science and AI interview, my first question will be, I never enter into the too technical. I will ask, let me know what are libraries used in your project actually. In your project. Then first you need to deliver what are libraries used actually. Based on that, the interview goes actually. Based on that, what such interview goes. Are you clear? Yeah, good. Like, sir, I need a response. Are you getting everybody? Yeah, good. Like that, I can help you. That's a question, right? Resume preparation, I can help you. That's what. Online team, you understand, I guess. The one who raised the question, thank you. I hope you understand. I don't know, maths, is that work? No worries, sir. I used to teach math. What is the duration of Python actually? Duration for Python around 22 sessions, sir. Rajendra Garu, 22 sessions. I have started Python from scratch. Cinema 0 nunchi start in, sir. Next one. I don't know what math is. That is okay. Yeah, we are teaching math also. We are teaching. Like this, any common questions if you are having, you can ask. You can ask actually. Can I continue the regular topic? Can I continue? Good. Let's move on. Also covering LLM. Yes, we are covering. Large language models. We have a separate material. What is the last question? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you need to be understand. Based on requirement, we can reinitialize existing variables value. In variable reinitialization, old value will be replaced with what such? New value. Yeah, good. This is the variable creation, and this is the variable reinitialization. This is the variable reinitialization. If you are printing cell, can you tell me what value? Recent value 12,000. That's what you need to be understand from this chapter. ఈ చాప్టర్ నుంచి మీరు అంతవరకు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. That's okay. We done this. 10:18. The time is 10:18. The session goes to till 10:50 today. The session goes to till 10:50 today. If any working or login time, if any working employees, do let me know. You can just have to go back after data types, operators. Let me look into that. Data types, after data types, next one is the in operators, sir. What is the next topic actually? Operators. Yeah, next upcoming topic, I mean to say. Next topic is input and output. Next topic is flow control. Flow control. That's still fine, Daniel, move on. Yeah, I would like to say this is upcoming topic. This one also upcoming topic. This one also upcoming topic. Let's take this. Okay. Let me continue. There are general discussion. Let me stop the regular topic actually. Let me explain about the two general discussion I would like to talk. General discussion. General discussion. When I say general discussion, the first one belongs to regarding tomorrow session. I would like to talk this. I have seen some query regarding tomorrow session. The next one, let me talk about how to, while practicing, while Daniel we started practicing, getting errors, getting what such errors. Then if you are getting errors, we are happy, no doubt in that. How to fix, how to what such fix. Let me help you the solution. Let me help you what such solution. Help you the solution actually. Solution. Get ready to understand. Point number 1. Tomorrow we do have a session. Let us make it very clear. Tomorrow we do have a session. Why I'm highlighting this one? Last Saturday we enjoyed actual. Am I right or not, sir? We don't have a session. But let me tell you one small pattern. Every day, Monday to Saturday, we have a session. Except second Saturday. Except what subject? Second Saturday. I no need to talk about that one. Sunday means holiday since my childhood. Right? Sunday means what, Sarji? Holiday. I never ever take the session on Sunday. That is a point number one. Point number two. Second Saturday also I will not take. Second Saturday also I will not take actually. Are you clear? So I hope you guys are clear about this point. Right? Then can I ask a question? What about tomorrow? Tomorrow would you have a? Chappan sir, tomorrow we do have a session. Tomorrow Saturday we have a session actually. The next one. Second point, let me continue. Daniel, maybe we started practicing. We started what, Saji? Practicing, but getting errors. Getting what, Saji? Errors. Let me tell you, when you are, listen carefully, please. I request you, please be silent actually. First of all, Python is a technical subject. Python is what, Saji? When I say technical, you need to write a program, you need to run a program. Then you need to see the output actually. While doing the practice, getting error is a very common scenario. Getting error is what, Saji? Very common. It is a very common actually. Good. Let me tell you one small point. In the year of 2010, same like you. In the year of 2010, so same. How you joined actually? I joined to learn. I joined in one institute actually. One institute to learn Java. To learn what, Saji? Java. I was a Java coder. Once upon a time. Jamana time lo. A long back actually. A long back, right? Sir, I started practice. Started what exactly? Practice. In the year of 2010, I done my MCA. Then after that 2 months, I went to my home actually. 2 months. I don't know how that 2 months went. I don't know. Why? Because after you done your graduation, just for we thought like 2 days we can spend at our home actually, but 2 months over, 3 months also over actually. Sir, if days are move on, that no problem at actually. We have a neighbors. We have what, Sarji? They will start ask, "Are you done graduation? You are staying at your home actually." I faced it, sir. All scenarios I faced actually. Trust me, how you faced all things I faced everything actually. Good. Then I came to Hyderabad. Then I joined one institute. I started learning Java. Started practice. Trust me, imagine there is a first program. There is what, Saji? First program. In that first program, you can't believe, I got 4 errors. I still remember. 4 to 5 errors I got actually. How many errors, man? That too, hello world example. In hello world example, I got 4 errors actually. In a olden days, if you are getting error, there is one pattern. A pattern entante, I need to go again to the institute actually. There are some technical mentors. There are some technical mentors in the sense, even there is a lab actually. And I used to reach that mentor and I used to ask, Anna, I executed on a program, I'm getting error. Can you help me in the sense? Yeah. If they do have a time, they will help actually. Like that, my learning pattern actually. But nowadays, and this is the one way. Second way will be, if you are from technical background, if you are getting error, you can check one website. Website name is Stack Overflow. What is the website name? Malu sir, what is the website name? Stack Overflow. By using that Stack Overflow website, we can fix the error actually. We can fix what, Saji? Error. But let me tell you, Daniel, we are living in 2025. Trust me, in 2025, no mentor is required actually. Daniel, why? There is one technical grandfather for us. There is a technical grandfather actually. The technical grandfather name is a ChatGPT. Let me show you how to use ChatGPT to fix the errors. You can use ChatGPT only to fix the errors. I will tell you step by step how to use actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Good, let me show you. So let me raise one error. Okay, error raise cheddam chudandi. Intentionally let me raise one error. A equals to 10. You already know what is this error. If you are getting right output, you no need to ask ChatGPT. Why a right output actually? Do I need to ask? No. Right. Let me just try to tell you here. B. Can you tell me what is output, sir? Very nice. What error? Name error. But you wanted to know. You don't know how to fix the error. Think like that. You don't know how to fix this error actually. Then what you can do, take this one. Open Google. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. You guys are really blessed, sir. You are learning the Python or technical subject in the year of ChatGPT era actually. But in olden days, a long back, 10 years before, 15 years before, no ChatGPT. Manual help is required. People used to help manually actually. Fine. So though this is technical father, right? Hi, good morning. Just a simple say hi, good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? Let me tell you, this is frankly speaking, talking like a human. Talking like what, Sachi? Human actually. You can just try to expand your problem. I have written one Python program. Program getting error, boss. Getting what, Sachi? Error. Getting error. Error actual. Error. Then what we need to do? First one, tell the solution. Tell me the reason. Tell me what, Sachi? Reason. You can ask why you are getting error. Reason adagandi. Then help me to fix the code. Help me to fix what, Sachi? Code actual. Let me tell you. In the year of 2010, once I reached my mentor, I used to ask two questions. Anna, why I'm getting error? నాకు error ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? I wanted to know. Second point, tell me the solution. Tell me what's Saji? Solution. But whom we are asking actually? ChatGPT, right? Now let us just try to fire this, enter this actual. Of course, boss. Very good. Please share the Python code actually. How nice it is. Man, it is asking share your code actually. Yeah, let me share the code. Code share చేద్దాం చూడండి. Error name చెప్పండి. One more time. It should tell the same thing actually. 1 minute. You can add third point will be I need error name also. I need what, Saji? Error name also. Tell me the error name also. I have shared the code actually. Perfect. Here what is happening, right? So error you are getting. Name, very good, sir. It is displaying as it is actually. What error? Name error. Name B is not defined actually. Reason, it is explained. You are trying to printing a variable B that was never defined before actually. Did you remember previous slide told actually? The variable which you didn't create, if you are printing that one, you will get error. Error name is a name error actually. Yeah, good. So in your code, A equals to 10, what you need to, this is your code actually, but I wanted to know the solution. This is the A equals to 10, print of what exactly, sir? Yeah. This is the best help you can take actually. When you are getting error, just to try to ask small points to the ChatGPT. In company, we are using ChatGPT. In company level, we are using what, Saji? This is the technical way to use ChatGPT. I don't know. Till now, how you use it ChatGPT? How to prepare lemon water? How to prepare normal water? You might use it actually. But no. Use ChatGPT for technical purpose. What purpose, sir? Technical. Then you can improve your technical skills actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. Move on. Online team, I hope you understand, sir. That's it. We done just for general discussion. I explained about 2 points actually. General discussion. I can close this. Then after this, I can move on with the regular topic. The topic name is called as a data types. What is the topic name, sir? Data. We have our own material as usual, well structured and well organized. Yeah. Let's start. Everybody look at my screen. Thank you. Please be silent. Can you tell me what is the running topic? Python data type. Prior to this one, let me tell you one small point. Sir, the material how I have prepared, if you wanted to understand chapter number 6, chapter number what, Saji? 6. First you should know 1 to 5 chapter. First you should know. I have prepared this material like a interdependency. What do you mean by interdependency? Do you wanted to understand 5th topic actually? You should know 4th topic. Do you wanted to understand 4th topic? You should know 3rd topic. Respectively 1 to 5 you should have actually. That is a prerequisite. That is what, Saji? Daniel, I don't know 1 to 5. Can I learn data type actually? No. I cannot recommend. No, actually. Then I wanted to learn. Walk through our recorded session one more time actually. Are you clear or not, sir? But anyway, every topic I will start from scratch. I will consider you already know 1 to 5 actually. Then let me continue the discussion. Can I continue, sir? Can you tell me what is the first one? Python introduction. Let me raise few questions actually in Python introduction. Who is the Python creator? Very good. Guido van Rossum. What is the first Python version? Which year actually? 1991. Good. Yeah, 1991 first Python version. He started 1989 actually. Who is a Python trainer? Who is your trainer now? Thank God. Python supports 2 things, man. First one, functional programming language. Next one, good. The next question. How many keywords in Python? How many columns we have divided? 11 actually.
11.
Please look at the table. It will be helpful for actually. Somebody told 350, Anna. It is 35 actually. Please. Next one. Hello old example. Yeah. I request you. Please write example in notepad only. I request you. This is my humble request. Daniel, why? If you are using notepad, you have to type each and every letter, sir. When you are typing, you will come to know. All your senses will be more concentration. Why you are writing, why you are typing, you will get to know actually. But let me tell you, later I will help you how to write example in a Jupyter, PyCharm, Anaconda. These are all things also will help you actually, right? To write a hello world program, there is a process. Write a program, save a program, run a program, right? How to save a program? .py extension. What extension? How to run a program? Command py name of the file. Chappan sir, py name of the file. Where we are writing a program? Notepad. Where we are running a program? Nice, you should know. The next one, naming convention. Can I ask you one question? What is identifier, sir? A name in a program. A name in a
Program.
one more time. A name in a program is called as an identifier. There are exactly 6 identifiers. Blah blah blah. There are how many rules? 5. Like a Panchasutra actually. 5 rules. That's what. The next one will be variables. What is a variable? These are all. Oh, sorry. This is a spell mistake. Cool. Regarding variables, just know that cinema is done. I can continue. Let us start. Let us start actually. Okay? Yeah. Come on, please. Let us start. A data type represents the type of the data stored into a variable. First of all, before understanding about this topic, you should know one topic. Topic name is a variable. What is the topic name, sir?
Variable.
Variable actually. Good. Let me tell you. నేను ఒక చిన్న విషయం చెప్తాను చూడండి. Daniel, first of all, try to explain how to create a variable. Variable creation. By this time, you should know variable creation. Creating variable actual. Good. A equals to 10, boss. A equals to 10. Can I ask you a question? What is the A actually? A name ఉంటుంది sir. Very good. Name of the variable. Name of the what sir ji? Name of the variable అంటుందాన్ని. Can you tell me what is the 10 actually? Value of the variable. Value of the what sir ji? Value of the variable actually. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలంటే 10 having the type, having what sir ji? Data type actually. అంటే whenever you are creating a variable, especially LHS equals to RHS, sir. చెప్పండి, LHS equals to right hand side, whatever you are doing, whatever you are making actually, that thing it should have a data type. That thing it should have what, Sarji? 10 have a data type actually. Think like, let me create a one more thing. B equals to 1.23. 1.23 having the data type actually.
Yeah, Boolean.
What do you mean by type, Let me tell you, in every area there is a different types. Let us take it gender. 2 types men. Male, female. Am I right? Let us go for fruits. Different fruits would you have? Type of the fruits. Apple, orange, banana. These are all things actually. Same thing like that. In a data, would you have a different data types actually? I mean to say integer data type, floating data type, string data type. These are all you should have aware. These are all points I am going to cover in this chapter actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay? Yeah. Daniel, previous chapter is done. Make that close symbol actually. Let us stop. A data type represents the type of the data stored into a variable. Stored into a variable or memory actually. See? So everybody make a note. Can I ask you a question? How many variables I have created, sir? One more time.
3.
One more time. 3 variables. Left hand side, what are all things are available with name of the variables. Right hand side, what all things are available, value of the variable. Right. I have a question. One is the value to the employee ID. Daniel is the value to the name. 10,000.56 is the value to salad. I wanted to check the data type also. I wanted to check what Sarji? Data type also. Then how to check actually type function. What function? Chappan sir. Good. Let me run this code actually. Time 10:35, sir. Somebody is looking at the time. Time is 10:35. Let me run this code actually. Perfect. We done this example. Simple creating a 3 variables. We already know this kind of example. Can I ask one question, sir? A question adugumantara? Can I provide here kind of some this symbol? Is it possible? No. Why?
Identifier.
Let me tell you. This you are telling your program error, right? How you are telling because of that is invalid, because you already know the naming convention chapter. You already know what, Sarji? Then to learn current topic, always you should be aware about the previous topic. Inta mundu topics meeku idea undali. Am I right or not, sir? That is a key fundamental. Don't miss that actually. Yeah, creating a 3 variables. Creating what, Sarji? 3 variables actually. 3 variables and we are printing. Slowly I can move on with the real time examples. Please follow the session actually. Please strong in fundamental first. These are all fundamental. Yeah, Daniel, by using type function, we can check the data type of each variable actually. Data type of what, Sarji? Each variable. Yeah, good. Let me introduce. Even previously also I explained about the type, but now let me highlight actually. Type is a predefined function, boss. Type is a predefined function. Every function has its own purpose. Prati function ki back end lo oka purpose untadi. Let us take my father. He has his own role. Let us take my mother. My mother has her own role actually. Same thing like that. Every function has its own role. Print function displays the output. Type function, check the data type. Type function, check what, Sarji? Data type actually, right? So type is a predefined function in Python. By using this, we can check the type of the variable. By using this, we can check what, Sarji? Type of the. When I say type of the variable having the value, that value I am talking actually. See, employee ID type is type of employee ID. Name type is type of name of the variable you need to assign actually. Salary type is salary, the type I wanted to know. Type of what is that one, sir? Salary, right? Good. Let me just try to print this. Let me copy paste actually. Good. Everybody make a note. See, I have a question for you. How many print statements, sir? Any print statements on it? Then definitely you should get a 6 outputs actually. Output కూడా 6 ఉండాలి, అలా మ్యాచింగ్ ఉండాలి. First to 3, last to 3. Then I just wanted to separate the first to 3 and last to 3 actually. Then you can provide one social distance actually. Print of empty print. Empty print indicates to one space. Sorry, something went wrong. Print actually. PRINT. Right? Name error, sir. I will talk later actually. See, do you wanted to space in between while you are printing actually? You can use empty print. You can use what, Sarji? Yeah, then it is separating space like this. Yeah, first to 3 we are printing variable. Next we are checking the data type. Next we are checking what, Sarji? Data. One data type is called as integer. Daniel data type is called as a string. str means string. Right? 10,000.56 is called as a floating data type. What data type, sir? Floating data type. Yeah. Python follows shortest notation. Shortest what, Saji? Notation. Ante what it mean? Integer. We are expecting the full form, but Python will display int. We are expecting string, string, but Python will display str. We are expecting floating value, but it will display float. That's it actually. Shortest notation. Chala short form lo మాట్లాడుతున్నారు అన్నమాట Python అనేది, right? Yeah. Float. Yeah, here float almost equal. Floating data type. We are good to go. Yeah, man. Now let's move on. Actual thing started now. Another 10 minutes would have a session. Another 10 minutes actually. Come on, let's move to the discussion. There are 2 types of data types. Online team, sorry. Just give me kindly spare 1 minute actually. Yeah. Come on, everybody look at my screen. Thank you. Just now I explained about the data type. Data types are 2 types, boss. Data types are how many? 2 types. First one is called as a built-in data types, madam. First one is called as a built-in. This built-in data types is also called as a predefined data types. Chappan sir? Predefined actually. The second one is called as a user-defined data type. Let me specify that. A point specify cheddam chudandi. Data types. There are 2 types actually. Data types are divided into 2 types. There are two types of data types. Two types of data types actually categorized. The first one, built-in data types. What is the first one? Built-in actually. Either you can say built-in directly, or else you can say like this, built-in data types. The next one is called as a user-defined data type. What is the next one? User-defined data types actually. Data type. Sir, you know, built-in data types also called as a predefined data types. What data types mean? Predefined data type. Yeah. Let me tell you. Yeah, Daniel. What do you mean by built-in data types? Let us start actually. Good. First of all, let me close everything. Why? Because you know, so we are not going to use the code as of now. Let me understand the always theory first. Built-in data types. What do you mean by built-in data type? The data types which are already existing in Python. Those are all called as a built-in data types. Those are all called as a built-in data. Let me tell you. We are all what we done, you know. Before starting learning Python, first I explained how to install Python. First I explained how to install what, Sarji? The moment when you install Python, by default, Python having its own data type. Integer, float, string, those are all called as a built-in data types. Those are all called as a built-in. Built-in in the sense predefined. Those data types are by default, man. Those data types are what exactly? By default. By default, these data types will come actually. What do you mean by built-in, you know? Once I born, my hands, legs, eyes, head, these are all by default actually, built-in. This is built-in data types actually. But let me tell you, love, courage, dare, these are all not by default. I need to build actually. That is called as a user-defined. That is called as what, Sarji? User-defined actually. Let me tell you. The data type which are already existing in Python would have already existing actually. Those are all called as a built-in data type. The first one is called as a numeric data type, sir. What is the first one? Numeric actually. Under numeric, three data types would you have. First one integer, next one float, third one is a complex. Third one is what, Saji? In data science, we are not using complex. Let me repeat again. Before data science, I worked in completely full stack Python developer. I was a full stack Python developer also. I know end-to-end Python. We are master actually, for your kind of information. But I don't want to show all mastering skills actually. To become as a data scientist, you no need to learn total Python. 70% Python is required. How much Python, sir? That you should ever actually. That you should ever, right? So numeric data types. As of now, two data types. The first one is a integer. Next one is a float. Chappan, sir. First one integer. Next one float. Third one is called as a Boolean data type. Though Python follows shortest notation bull. Right. Next one. Third one is called as a none data type. What is the third one? None. It's a none but not, you know, so make a note actually. N-U-N-O-N-E. If anyone is coming from Java, anyone is Java, raise your hand. Then if Java is there, I can compare. Otherwise, I will stop comparison actually. Okay. If anyone is coming from Java, same data type null, N-U-L-L, null data type, sir. Null data type. Fourth one is a sequence. What is the fourth one? Sequence. String, list, tuple, set, dictionary, range. Let us just try to specify. Again types. Under this one, first one numeric. First one is what, Sarji? Numeric. Under numeric integer, the next one float. Complex we are not using. Complex what, Sarji? Not using actually. Then don't write actually. The next one none data type. Sorry. Yeah, Boolean data type. Boolean, but backend it is representing with what exactly, you know, sir? Boolean. The full form is Boolean. Sorry, please be silent. The third one is a none. What is the third one? None. The fourth one is sequence, sir. What is the fourth one?
Sequence.
Under this sequence, first one is a str. When I say str, string. The next one, list, tuple, set, dictionary. The next one, range. Next one is what, Sarji?
Range.
There is a meaning. Why I made separate, you know, there is a meaning. That we can talk slowly by slowly actually. Can I hear from you? First one, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, range. This you should pronounce tuple, but not tuple actually. You have to pronounce tuple. తప్పులను పిలవండి ప్లీజ్. రైట్. డిక్షనరీ. డిక్ట్ మీన్స్ డిక్షనరీ యాక్చువల్. ఓ కూల్. Fine, then last 5 minutes it takes material upload. These are all things actually. Sir, this cinema, let me start from tomorrow. So what I can say, we can say end card actually. We done today's session. Last 5 minutes I takes to upload the material. We done today's session. Every day end of this session I will upload the material like now. How I used to upload actually. That is a reference for you if I miss anything. Okay. Happy to say we done today's session. Can you tell me what about tomorrow? We have a session. We have what, Sarji? Don't miss it actually. Don't miss. I request you. So please don't miss the session. I know it is weekend actually, but you have to come to the session. Session ki ravali. We have a offline and online mode. I got a one question from one of the student. Sir, nenu offline register avutanu, online join avvacha? Yeah, it is possible. I mean, so let me tell you. Imagine I have registered for offline. Unfortunately, I need to travel to my home actually, my native. Can I join in online? You can join. That flexibility would have that you need to talk with admin. These are all you need to talk with admin actually. If you wanted to join online also you can join. But let me tell you, a question చెప్తాను చూడండి. Online time, back to the session. So don't miss offline actually. Up to you, no force man. Which one you can join actually, no force. Start writing practice, start writing codes actually. Slowly by slowly I will share practice examples also. Would have a separate documents. Those are all examples actually. I will show those things also. Yeah. Let's close this. 9. Everybody make a note. Till yesterday, I'm sure I have uploaded all material. Now today material, data types I need to upload. Let's copy this. Let's create a new window. Let me create a new window. And here, this should not be variable. This should be data type. I will update actually. If you spare 2 minutes, you will come to know the pattern. Materials, Python, topic number 5 already existing, topic number 6 I need to upload actually. I'm sorry, I used to share only PDF. Don't ask Word document actually. Word document we should not share. PDF. Okay. Yeah. 6. 3 places it should be matched. Then write document actually. Then tell me, sir, what is the next document? Running notes. Cheppandi, sir. Yeah, let me upload that one also. That's it, man. That's it actually. Like this, I used to upload daily. Last 5 minutes is uploading material actually. Then thank you. We done today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you. Thank you everyone for attending today's session. Online team. We done, sir. Cinema is over actually.